Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video, I will talk about Mirocoin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a latest update related to the crypto. So here you can see that I am showing you on Coin Market Cap. Recently, the rank of Mirocoin in Coin Market Cap is 700, and let me show you some market from where you can trade Mirocoin. So these are some market where you can trade Mirocoin. Like you can check all this market here like KuCoin, Radium, HTX, Orca, and many other crypto trading platform are there from where you can trade Mirocoin. And you can also check the volume also and liquidity also. You can check all these things from Coin Market Cap. So in this video, I will talk about the price analysis of Mirocoin, that in near future, what can be the price of Mirocoin. So watch my video till end to know more about this. So here you can see that if I talk about the total supply of Mirocoin, currently the total supply of Mirocoin is 999.98 million Mirocoin and maximum supply is 1 billion. Here you can check volume also and market cap also. The current market cap of Mirocoin is $25.79 million. So what crypto user think about Mirocoin? And here you can see one crypto user has written that $10 billion market cap, this bull is possible, this will explode this bull run. Miro, anyone says Miro is the next ship, what's your opinion? So people are thinking that Miro can be the next ship, what's your opinion? So like this, there are many who have given the great review to Mirocoin. Some thinks that Miro is the flocky of Sol, don't miss out, Miro to the moon. So as I can see the review related to the Mirocoin is actually positive. Let me go to the Coin Market Cap again. What I said, that the review related to the Mirocoin is actually positive. If you want to add Mirocoin in portfolio, you can add Mirocoin in portfolio, and if you want to add it in watch list, you can add Mirocoin in watch list also. We will check that. So this is the X account of Mirocoin, and here you can see that 6 days ago Miro has posted something. Solana's free trading system is now live. If you want to join Solana's free trading group, just click on this Telegram channel, and just a second. So here I joined this Solana group trending channel. I will go back. Solana free trending group, I joined this. Miro's free public Solana buybot now has 100 project using it in less than a month. So Solana free public buybot, you can join all this also. Okay, done. So just a second. Okay, so again we'll go at X account, and here you can see that for now nothing more latest post. The post has been done only 6 days ago, which I have already shared with you what post has been done with from Miro. Now the thing is, what people think about Miro, I have already said about this, that this coin has the huge potential to grow up in near future. But for now, what I will talk about the price prediction of Mirocoin, that what can be the price prediction of Mirocoin in near future. So if you want to visit their site, you can. But for now, let's assume that currently this coin has given a return of 17.62%. It's correct, this coin has given a return of 17.62%. And if I show you the chart of near 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, what you can see, that this coin is constantly giving a return. You can see here, I am showing you the price of this coin. In 24 hours, this coin has given a return of 17.74%. Whereas if I talk about 7 days, in 7 days, this coin has given a return of 43.04%. Whereas if I talk about the 30 days price prediction of this coin, in near 30 days, this coin has given the price prediction of 21.36%, and the huge return has given by this coin in 90 days of 600.14%. I am showing you all this in Coin Market Cap. And one more thing, that before having an investment in any crypto, it's better to do a proper crypto market research. If you want to check the analysis, you can check here that this coin is constantly increasing. Okay, the chart is constantly increasing. So what I can say for now, that if I talk about the price prediction, so see, in near future, first of all, I will talk about in near 7 days. See, it's not necessary that if today this coin has given you a return of 9.25%, other day also this coin will give you a return of 9.25%. It can be less also, it can be high also, depends on various factors. But if I talk about the near 7 days, and according to some crypto expert, what people think that Miro coin can give you a return of, and according to my analysis, Miro in near 7 days, Miro coin can give you a return of 3% to 4%. Not sure about it, but highly a chance that in near 7 days, Miro coin can give you a return of 3% to 4%. And if I talk about when this coin will reach $1, so there is a time for this coin to reach $1, so we'll not going on this. But yes, this coin has highly a chance to give you a return of more than 3% to 4% in near 7 days. Let's see what will happen in future. Currently the market rank is 700. It can go to 696 in coming days. So again, before having an investment in any cryptocurrency token, do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile. We can't say that which crypto will go up and which crypto will go down exactly. We'll see you soon in another Miro coin cryptocurrency video or any other cryptocurrency video. Please subscribe my channel so that you can watch my other video also.